to ground her first and then come up here. Both are good. But sometimes too much is up here, and they lose a sense of groundedness. And you don't want to lose a sense of groundedness. Ultimately, when you touch here, you're coming up to go in through. You're up to go through. That's why Gary liked being here so much. So now, the next part is a little bit harder. You want to say something? There's a quality of thought that lifts her this way. There's a quality of thought that lifts her this way. So you would ask her to stop, and you change that. I got a hand here. I'm taking this out and down. I'm freeing right there. And now start to play again.
So it's sort of lifting without support from the rest of the body.
Without support from the rest of the body.
Now it's going to be sassy.